Hello all and welcome to the Lane channel. So in this video I will just share the bug that I'm facing right now with my Nintendo Switch for the Disney Dreamlight Valley. So the issue begins here is that I have performed some duties and also rewards on my console 2, which I use as a handheld. I have purchased this two here item, these two, and then what I did is I did save it in the cloud system, but then if you guys noted that there are some cloud issues happening around yesterday for Nintendo Switch, and unfortunately when I transferred cloud data to my console 1, which is the one that I'm playing right now, uh, Deducted, and connect to my PC. So the issue is that when I unlock the premium itself, it took my Moonstone and it unlocked. So when it unlocked these two collections here, I didn't notice because it's actually something that I can purchase. So I thought that okay, it may be because of some bug glitch or maybe some save data loss in the previous gameplay. So I have to repurchase it. So I click on it. Then of course it will comes up some message saying that I have already purchased it. I could not purchase it again, but it doesn't have it collected. So I unlock it, and what happened next is that the game closed, and then it start to push the game console 2 data into the game console 1. And when I try to load it back, the game console 1 data itself, and when I try to click on the unlock premium here and confirm the activation, so you see everything is still good there. It seems like I can purchase it. And when I click on it, it will give me the error message saying that this request transactions could not be complete. Because if you see on the top, my Moonstone have been consumed to use to unlock the premium, but the premium is gone. So right now I'm just stuck with this event here, and even like this motif here, when I try to collect it, it could not be collected because I have collected it during the time that I purchased the premium and the data was lost, but then it recognized as I have used it, and basically I'm just stuck here right now because the one that I lost on the stage 1, and of course stage 2 is saying that obtain at least 3 of the 7 rewards from page 1, which I could not do anything here. So this is kind of the bug that I'm having right now. So yeah, I'm not sure. I have written the feedback to the dev team. Hopefully they can actually sort it out. Of course, for the duties as well, I lost the chances for the premium duties as well. So it's supposed to be 6, but just showing 3 because it assumed that I haven't unlocked the premium. But when I tried, so I just could not complete the transactions. And this is a total roadblock for my event pass, and of course my progressions, because if I'm continue with the storyline, I could actually complete some of the duties, but because right now it's being locked, even if I proceed with the stories, there's no duty to complete, and of course I could not get that toy. I mean, I could only do 3 instead of 6, and hope this one can be solved as soon as possible. Yeah, finger crossed to all you guys who are using Switch, and remember to maybe spam on the cloud save data. So you have to go into the setting, and then you click on the save to cloud. So make sure to save it to the cloud as always, so that the data do not lost in some way. And yeah, and make sure that you check that when you move from one console to another console, make sure that when you click on the close save data, so there will be like local data and close save data message prompt out. But after you have choose the close save data, make sure that the first thing, it do not spend on any Moonstone related item. I mean, something that is important. One thing you need to check is to check on the level progressions. Make sure it's the correct data that it picks up, because it has happened to me a few times when I click on the close save data, but then there's some glitches or maybe bug. It doesn't have the latest data and I have to just restart the game. So that's a simple solutions, but then because when I purchased this pack itself, I did not notice it. And this where the yep, the crashes happen. And yeah, that would be all for this video here, and thanks for watching.